Our objective in this lesson is to find the product of a cube of a binomial. Let's have a quick review. If c cubed is equal to c times c times c, then x plus y quantity cube is equal to x plus y times x plus y times x plus y. Quantity x minus 3y cube is equal to x minus 3y multiplied 3 times. Same thing with quantity 3p plus 4q cube. It is equal to 3p plus 4q multiplied 3 times. Let's have a recall on how to square a binomial. So first, we square the first term. This will be x squared. And then we copy the sign. And then twice the product of the first and the second term. And then this is always positive. And then square the second term of the binomial. So this will be y squared. Now, let us derive the formula for a cube of a binomial. We already established that x plus y quantity cube is equal to x plus y multiplied 3 times. I can express the first two as x plus y quantity squared. And then I'll just copy x plus y. We just recall how to square a binomial. And this is equal to x squared plus 2xy plus y squared. I'll just copy again x plus y. Now, I'm going to distribute each term here to the terms here. Let's start. So, x times x squared is x cubed. X times positive 2xy is positive 2x squared y. X times positive y squared is positive x y squared. This time, let us distribute y. Y times x squared is x squared y. Y times positive 2xy is positive 2x y squared. And y times positive y squared is positive y cubed. Let us combine like terms. Let us copy x cubed. 2x squared y plus x squared y is equal to 3x squared y. Xy squared, there is an invisible 1 here, plus 2xy squared is 3xy squared. And then let's copy y cubed. So this is the formula of quantity x plus y cubed. How about quantity x minus y cubed? Again, this is equal to x minus y multiplied 3 times. So I'll express again the first two as x minus y quantity squared. And then I'll copy x minus y. Let us square this binomial. Let us square the first term. This will be x squared. Copy the sign. And then twice the product of the first and the second term. And then this is always positive, and square the second term plus y squared. Copy x minus y. Now let us start distributing x. So x times x squared is x cubed. X times negative 2xy is negative 2x squared y. X times positive y squared is positive x y squared. This time, let us distribute negative y. Negative y times x squared is negative x squared y. Negative y times negative 2xy is positive 2x y squared. And negative y times positive y squared is negative y cubed. Let us combine like terms. Let us copy first x cubed. Negative 2x squared y minus 1x squared y is negative 3x squared y. Positive 1xy squared plus 2xy squared is positive 3xy squared. Let's copy minus y cubed. So this is the formula for quantity x plus y cubed. The two formulas that we just derived lead us to cube of a binomial. These are quantity x plus y cubed and quantity x minus y cubed. Notice that the first and the last terms are cube of the terms of the binomial, and the middle terms contain a factor of 3. The terms are arranged in descending order based on the variable of the first term of the binomial. The first term is x, so we have x cubed, x squared, x, no more x. We do not have y here, 1y, 2y's, and 3y's. Same thing with quantity x minus y cubed. Let us have an example, quantity x plus 5 cubed. Since this is plus, we're going to recall the formula of quantity x plus y cubed. Our x is still x. Our y this time is equal to 5. Let us start. For the first term, it says here, we cube the first term of the binomial. And our first term is x, so this is equal to x cubed. Since this is plus, this will be plus 3. And then we square the first term of the binomial. Again, our first term is x, so this is x squared. Multiply with the second term of the binomial. Our second term is 5, so times 5. This is always plus 3. Multiply with the first term of the binomial. This is x. And then square of the second term of the binomial. Again, our second term this time is 5, so times 5 squared. Since this is plus, the last term is positive, and then cube of the second term of the binomial. The second term is 5, so we have plus 5 cubed. So let's copy x cubed. 3 times 5 is 15, so we have plus 15 x squared. 5 squared is 25, so plus 3x times 25. And 5 cubed is 125. X cubed plus 15x squared. 3 times 25 is 75, so plus 75x, and then copy plus 125. So this is the answer for quantity x plus 5 cubed. Another example, quantity 2x minus 3 cubed. Since this is minus, we are going to recall the formula of quantity x minus y cubed. Our x this time is 2x and our y is equal to 3. Let's start. We cube the first term of our binomial. Our first term is 2x, so quantity 2x cubed. Since this is minus, this will be minus 3. Square of the first term of the binomial, so we have quantity 2x squared. Multiply with the second term of the binomial, so times 3. This is always plus 3. Multiply with the first term of the binomial times 2x. Square of the second term of the binomial, so times 3 squared. Since this is minus, the last term is negative. And then cube of the second term of the binomial, so cube of 3. 2 cubed is 8, so we have 8x cubed. And then minus 3. 2 squared is 4, so we have times 4x squared. Copy times 3. And then 3 times 2x is 6x, so we have plus 6x. And 3 squared is 9, so times 9. 3 cubed is 27, so we have minus 27. Copy 8x cubed. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 times 3 is 36, so we have 36x squared minus 36x squared. 6 times 9 is 54, so plus 54x. Copy minus 27. So this is the answer for quantity 2x minus 3 cubed. One more example, quantity 4x plus 5y cubed. Since this is plus, we're going to recall quantity x plus y cubed. Our x is equal to 4x and our y is equal to 5y. Let us cube the first term of our binomial. So this is quantity 4x cubed. Since this is plus, this will be plus 3. And then square the first term of the binomial. So times quantity 4x squared. times the second term of the binomial times 5y. Always plus 3. First term of the binomial times 4x, and then square of the second term of the binomial times quantity 5y squared. Since this is plus, the last term is positive. And then cube of the second term of the binomial. So cube of 5y. So we have 4 cube is 64. So we have 64x cubed. Plus 3. 4 squared is 16. So times 16x squared. Copy times 5y. 3 times 4x is 12x. So plus 12x. 5 squared is 25, so times 25y squared. 5 cubed is 125, so plus 125y cubed. Copy 64x cubed. 3 times 16 is 48 times 5 is 240. X squared y. 12 times 25 is 300. X y is squared. Copy plus 125y cubed. So this is the answer for quantity 4x plus 5y cubed. Let's dig deeper. Here are the examples that we discussed earlier. How many terms are there in the product? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 terms in the product. What do you call a polynomial with 4 terms? We call it multinomial. And what is the degree of the product of a cube of a binomial? What is the degree of the product? The degree is cubic. Quick tips for a cube of a binomial. If the operation of the binomial is addition, the sign on all terms in the product is positive. Look, positive, 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 positive. If the operation of the binomial is subtraction, the sign of the terms in the product is alternating positive, negative, positive, negative. The product is arranged in decreasing order based on the variable of the first term of the binomial. The first term is x, so we have x cubed, x squared, x, no more x. And then we do not have y here, 1y, 2y's, and 3y's. Now, it is time to check your understanding. Pause this video for more time. Let us answer. Since this is addition, we are going to recall the formula of quantity x plus y cubed. So let's start. We have to cube the first term. Our first term is 2p, so quantity 2p cubed. Since this is positive, then this will be plus 3. And then let us square our first term, so quantity 2p squared. Multiply by the second term times 3 cubed. Always plus 3. Our first term again is 2p times 2p times the square of the second term. So 3q is squared. Positive, so the last term is positive. And then cube of the second term. So 3q cubed. So we have 2 cubed is 8. So 8p cubed. And then plus 3. 2 is squared is 4. So we have 4p squared. Copy 3q. 3 times 2p is 6p, so plus 6p. 3 squared is 9, so times 9q is squared. 3 cubed is 27, so plus 27q cubed. So we have 8p cubed. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 times 3 is 36. P squared cubed. 6 times 9 is 54. P q is squared. Copy 27q cubed. So here is the answer for 2p plus 3q quantity cube. Gets? Our next lesson is square of a trinomial or multinomial.